Hello dear student, today we will be describing MCQ questions on chapter 3, that is MS Access table, form, query and report. So students, let's have the first question. Question 1. Dash tab is used to design and making query, form and report. So when you are going to create any query, form or report from a table, you need to click on the option 3, create tab. So create tab is the option. Through the create tab you can create or you can make query, form, report. Question number 2. Dash is used to retrieve selective data based on specific criteria from one or more tables. So student, the answer will be query, because query is an object in MS Access by which you can create a criteria or condition, and based on that you can extract information from the table. Question number 3. Dash view of query allows to create the query with the query design grid where we can give condition. The answer is option B, design view. In the design view of query, we can set a query, we can give condition in the query design grid. Question number 4. Dash view of query allows to show the information that the query has extracted from the corresponding table. The answer is datasheet view. So datasheet view is a view of query where we can see the result of the query that has been extracted from the original table. Question number 5. Dash is a combination of rows and columns given at a bottom query design view window where we can select field, table, name, sort and condition to design and make a query. So the answer is query grid. Query grid is mainly a part of query window. At the bottom of the query window you will get a query grid, and in the query grid you can set field, table name, sort, condition, etc. Question number 6. Dash dialog box allows us to add tables in query during query design. So which dialog box allows to add the table in the query? So the answer is show table dialog box. In the show table dialog box you can do it. So question number 7. Dash or add table dialog box. I'm sorry student, the answer will be add table dialog box, not the show table dialog box. In the add table dialog box we can just show it. Question number 7. The added table is displayed with all the fields of the table in the dash area under newly created query object tab. So student, the answer will be query working area. What is this? The student, actually when you add a table, the table with its fields will be reflected, will be shown at the query working area. Question number 8. Even after selecting a field of table in a query design grid, we can stop displaying the field in query datasheet view by checking off dash box. The answer will be show row. So show row is a box. If we check off the box, that field will not be displayed in the query. Question number 9. Dash is a new row inside query design grid where we can set a certain condition for a particular field to display information accordingly. The answer will be criteria. Criteria is actually a condition based on which we can create a condition, and based on that the table data will be shown. The dash operators like greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, these are used in making conditional criteria in design query. The answer is relational operator. These are called greater than, less than, these are called relational operator. Question number 11. How many options are there to make a form under create tab and inside forms group? Form design, form wizard, blank form, all of these. If you click on the create tab and then you go to the you click on the create tab and then you go to the forms group. You will get all the options. Question number 12, we can find the option form wizard in dash option in form group under design tab. So the answer will be more form. More form is actually the option under forms group where we can get the form wizard. Question number 13, in dash dialog box we can add table fields into form in design form. So the answer will be form wizard. Form wizard helps us to insert, to add the tables field into the form. Question number 40, we can set dash in form wizard dialog box in design form. Form layout, form style, both A and B. So the answer will be both A and B. When we are designing a form with form wizard dialog box, in form wizard dialog box we can set form layout and form style. Question number 15, after completion of form design and saving a form, form name is displayed in object tab, form menu, navigation pane, none. The answer will be navigation pane. When you have done with the form, when we have created the form and you are showing the form name will be displayed at the left hand side navigation pane. Question number 16, any data modification done in form is reflected in table. So whatever you are changing in the form, that will be reflected in the table. Question number 17, we can change the appearance of the form using the various options on the dash and dash tabs. Design and format tab. The answer will be design and format tab. So design and format tab provides the various option styles to change in the form. Question number 18, we can add a logo and title to your report by making use of logo and title option in the dash group on design tab. Format, header, footer, modify, none. So where you can go, you can click on the format tab. In the format tab you can add logo and title to the report. Question number 19, you can format the font, add a background image, change the color of the shape, so on, using the dash tab. So the answer will be design tab. So there are two design tab, anyone you can click. In the design tab you can do it. Question number 20, dash are used to represent data from tables or queries in the format that can be printed. So report, student, we create report. Why we create report? To show data, show table data in the printable format, that is the report. Question number 21, dash tab and dash group is used to design a report. So create tab and reports group is used to create a report. Question number 22, that dialog box provides to add report layout, orientation, style and all those things. The answer will be report wizard. In the report wizard we can set the report layout, orientation, style, and thus we can create report. Question number 23, a report based on database table dash to change or modify data of the field of an options are given, allows, does not allow, conditionally allow, none. So a report based on database table dash to change or modify data of the table does not allowed. If you create a report and you are going to change something on the report, you cannot do it. Question number 24, a report form query is called object of MS Access. I've already you should remember that table, form, report, query, whatever you are making in MS Access, these are called object. Question number 25, dash is the main feature of a form that contradicts a report. Data modification, data is fixed, conditional allowed, none. So data modification. So remember that in the form you can do the data modification that you cannot do in the report. So thank you, student.